Good morning, everybody. Some people might call me LeBron. Some people might call me La Greatness because I am the guy when it comes to procrastinating. We do everything last minute. That's just what I do. So here's packing a suitcase in like 5 minutes. First thing you have to do, take your pairs of shoes, whichever pairs of shoes you want. I like these 550s when I'm traveling around the airports. They're pretty comfortable. I like them a lot. Have my Air Forces for just whenever I want to throw them on. And then if I'm gonna go hiking or whatever, I'm just gonna take these Vans because they're beat. That's all they are. All they are is just beat. All right, we're gonna zip up here. Boom. Let's throw that away. Shoes. Gotta make sure they stay clean. They don't get your clothes dirty and all that. These little storage compartments right here, I didn't bring any because we're in a classroom, guys. PG 8 or whatever. We have boxers and hoodies and socks, okay, guys? All right. You guys don't need to see my boxers or my socks or nothing like that, all right? All right. My boxers are for me, guys. Relax. Cut it out. Come on now, guys. I know you guys wanted to see them. All right. Next thing's next. We have a pair of sweatpants or whatever you want to call these, tracksuits. I don't care. Just put them right here. Boom, away they go. Compact them though, because you need as much space as you can have because you're going to be going to vacation. Space is of the essence. All right, all right. Then right here, let's have some more pants. All you have to do is make sure you have enough clothes for your whole vacation, because if you do not have enough clothes for your whole vacation, guess what you will be wearing when you run out of clothes? Your boxers, or your bras, or your underwear. So you better hope you have enough clothes. I also have pajamas too, but we're not gonna speak about them right now. All right, what am I looking at? Here we go. Some more jeans, because I just like jeans. I like pants. I don't like shorts that much, but I wear them if I had to. All right. What do we have right now, guys? Clothes. Nice. What am I looking at right now? Oh, here they are. Next thing's next. Ooh, that fell. Have to grab some shorts because could be going somewhere hot, could be going somewhere cold. I don't know yet. It's just a vacation, guys. More shorts. Boom. All right, next thing's next. Have to grab some shirts because you need shirts. I have 2 shirts folded in one because I'm lazy. 2 shirts in one. Wow. All right, another shirt, guys. All right, and while I'm doing this, we're gonna need to go over some overviews. Why you need to learn how to packing a suitcase? You need to learn how to pack a suitcase because it's just general knowledge if you want to go to vacation. And also because if you're like me, a procrastinator, it's gonna help you learn how to do faster tasks, well, longer tasks in a faster setting. That's why, if you ask me. Then I also have this, my hoodie, more hoodies. Just a lot of things, guys. Just a lot of things to do. When packing a suitcase, if you're like me, you could just throw it all in there, or you could pack it up nicely. It's up to you. I'm one of those guys who just throws it in there most of the time. But I do regret that when I'm on vacation, so you have to take your time. When I'm on vacation, take out my hoodies and stuff, they're all wrinkly. Doesn't look, what's the word, aesthetic, guys. You probably should take your time like this. I don't normally do it though. All right. Boom, fold your hoodies. Then they're not as wrinkly. You put it in there, but you have to keep compacting, guys. Keep compacting. All right. And you guys may be asking, why does he keep talking? Well, because we have to keep packing. And when you're packing, you should definitely listen to music or something like that. Or maybe listen to an audio book or whatever they do nowadays, podcast, whatever that is, guys. Just listen to something, do it like that. And that right there is how to pack a suitcase in 5 minutes. All right. Oops, I forgot to put the lock on here. Hold up. Give me 1 second, guys. Ooh. You're gonna grab this right here and go like this. This thingy is like a little locking mechanism with this thingy. And you put them together and it locks like that. So when you open your suitcase, it doesn't go flying everywhere, your clothes don't at least. And come here, wrong zipper. Zip them up like this. Put it right here. You have to lock it away so TSA doesn't grab that, okay? Overview, guys. You need to be able to pack a suitcase in less than 5 minutes. If you're a procrastinator like me, it's gonna take some time to learn how to do it. Or if you're like me, La Greatness, you can just do it in like a minute, like me, of course. But yeah, it's kind of like common sense, something that you need to learn. If you ever want to go to vacation, it should be like a skill set you should have. And if you don't have it, well, that's not really good. And this is a TSA. TSA, they're very scary. You know, like you just go up there, like take off your shirt, shoes, belts, anything metal. It's like, guys, can we just relax? Have a good rest of your guys' day. Hope you guys had a good break.
Wow. What a great